Fucking get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Oh, cabla.
Are you ready for this, guys? Let's do a recording.
Oh, let's go.
I'm recording.
Okay, no, you're not.
Yes. Yes. You like ass? Nah, so what do we got here?
What does it do? We got out here rain and rain. Up top we got rain. Down the bottom it's all wet. Now you see down there, the heart of it's coming down there. Come on here with me, look at that.
Cut.
Look at that.
Hi.
We are in the heart of it. Shut up, you dumb cunt director.
Cut.
Hey,
You fucking cunt. No, my chair!
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Good day.
Jesus. It's lightning everywhere. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and ride over there.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, there's lightning all over the horizon. There is going to be a lot of rain tonight. That's
Shit,
what we
is that a
like.
focus?
And you see that forest over there?
We are walking to that.
Us three are walking over there.
I'm gonna put a light on. There's a light. Set. On. On. Set. Fuck, that's horrifying. Oi, Frosty. No! Alright, so what do you want to do?
We are going for a walk down there.
The campsite.
Me, Bin Laden. He, Muhammad. We're going for a drive.
His sister.
Oh shit, we're missing it.
Oh, there's one
No,
right
if,
over there.
I'm really sorry about the quality, but here,
Stop this.
you're fucking idiots. You all are. Whoa. Yeah, so basically you can see actually, I'm sorry about the quality, there's actually streams of rain. It looks really cool. I'm kind of afraid of getting my equipment wet, so I might actually wait till it stops before we do the night walk. Whoa. Damn, I will never get lightning for you. I'm just gonna hold it here until something happens. No.
With the broom and everything.
Fuck you all, I'm missing the lightning. I think something just happened.
You'll shut the fuck up.
I would fight you.
You're not fake.
I will play with you.
No one hits the cameraman. The cameraman does not die.
I kill you.
No, he's from Elizabeth.
Gorda.
Oh, that was kind of cool.
Alright, no, let's go.
Alright. Well, we might call it. Oh. I love the thunder. It's awesome. Fuck. You're gonna get shocked first. You're the tallest.
You're going to die.
No. Cameraman doesn't die.
The cameraman.
I have my shoulder pads.
You're very strong.
Oh! Okay, this is gay.
Alright, well I'm out.
Hi, I'm out too.